We can't see into the future, but we know that something has to change. Our planet needs our support. We are driven by doing our part in making the world a better place. Everything is in motion, every day, all the time. We and our partners work every day to make the transport of people and goods emission-free, sustainably, and without wasting resources. Our employees are the most important asset in the company. On our mission, we don't leave you alone. We help you with everything concerning e-mobility of commercial vehicles. People, animals, and nature must be able to breathe again. Sustainability is the heart of everything we do. We work every day for a better future. We give used and existing vehicles a second emission-free life. Whether transporting goods, transporting people, or even transporting our waste, we can only reach our goal with emissions-free vehicles. A future for us and our children. The world is changing now. We all are a part of it. Together, we reach the goal.